Respectfully, nobody's building like a $1 million business by staying in their bed, doing affirmations, vision board, and watching Netflix. Just like, let's be honest and let's be real for a second. We see all this content around like manifestation, affirmation, and everything in between. Of course, yes, you can make it work, but you need to pair the faith with action. Nothing is going to happen if you don't put action behind the intuition, the downloads, and everything you receive and everything you have. And I think like this is a big misconception. Of course, you can make passive income. Of course, you can get paid to exist, but you need to put things in place before this happen. I didn't see any $1 million business owners who is not showing up and putting work and taking action every single day. No matter what the action means, no matter if it's like just sending emails or if it is posting content or it is selling their offers, they are showing up every day towards the dream they want to build. And I am sure 3000% that the version of you who is like a multimillionaire or very successful or has their dream life is definitely not in bed right now watching Netflix and hoping for the best. And I say this with love because it is so easy to fall into the trap where you are seeing everyone having massive success online, making high cash flows, whether it's true or not. But you know it is actually possible. Some people are making it happen, and you're like, yeah, but they have this more than me, or they have this that is in their advantage, etc. But at the end of the day, every single person is putting the work behind the scene. It's not because they are not showcasing it on social media, they are not like boasting about it, that they are not putting the work, or they have a team putting the work for them. Everyone started from zero. Some people had a great like head start anyway, but most people you see online made it from scratch. And this is important to mention, like, we are all capable of making things happen, but there are some people who are ready to take more bold actions, who at least are ready to take consistent actions, because at the end of the day, you don't need to do crazy stuff. You just need to be very consistent for like a certain amount of time. And what people don't know is they think they have to go take these massive actions, and they enter in this paralysis where they feel it's difficult for them to do that. And I can completely understand it, but at the end of the day, you just need to take small actions towards the right direction, posting the right content, sending the right email, and do that again and again and again and again until it works. And if it doesn't work, then you keep moving to the direction that is working. You shouldn't feel resistance in your business. You can feel fear, but you shouldn't feel resistance in your business. If you feel resistance in your business, is not aligned with where you have to go, is not aligned about what you need to do. And most people really forget that. They keep focusing like on certain business models or things they have to do in order to make it work, where there is like 5,000 ways of achieving something, and you can achieve whatever your dream is, whatever where you want your business to be, without having to follow a certain path. You can follow your own path, you can get guidance to find your own path. There are so many ways of achieving what you want. Just be sure and be aware about knowing exactly what you want, not what other people, other business owner, other entrepreneurs, every people in your industry make you feel what you want. And this is so important. I think this is being the biggest lesson I've learned in my business. The more you know yourself, the better you will run your business, because you will be able to create offer, to create systems, to create ways of working in a way that feels so aligned and so authentic to you. And this is where your business is going to thrive, not by trying to mold yourself into someone else's business model. This is also why a lot of people keep paying crazy amount of money to have the same result that XYZ certain coach. But you need to ask yourself, is this business model the exact business model I want for myself? Because they could teach you something so amazing that is really working for them, but then you don't like to show up on content, you don't want to show your face, you don't want to talk on camera, you don't want to write, you don't want to sell all the time, you don't want to launch all the time, you don't want passive income. So you need to be 100% sure if that's what you really want to do. And let's be honest with ourselves, because if you want to scale your business to multi six figure, You need to make it so easy. Because if you feel your business is hard right now, how you want to do more of it? How you want to scale it? How you want to feel more expansion and have more abundance in your business if it already feels like a big weight on your shoulders? And if you feel this way, this is the reason why you are hitting this like income plateau, because it doesn't feel exciting. Your business doesn't feel fun. Your business doesn't feel like that's the most amazing things you have to do when you wake up in the morning. There is not one day when I wake up and I feel like, I don't want to post content. I don't want to talk. I don't want to do anything about my business. But there are days I woke up where I say, I don't want to sell this offer. And this should be the red flag. If you're not tired, if everything is going all right in your life and you start hating your offers, this is your first red flag. It means your offer is not aligned anymore. And that's fine. Like we all evolve, like we change, we grow, we want different things, and you need to adapt your business with your changes and your personal growth. It doesn't mean you have to burn everything to the ground each time it happens, otherwise you will have to restart your business, let's say, every other month. But you need to have faith in yourself and to adapt and tweak your offers and tweak your best business model when it feels not aligned, so you can move quicker towards like your financial goal, the business of your dream life, whatever you want, and your income goals. It's as simple as that. I wish more people were saying that, and I wish more people would have told me that, because it took me so long to realize that the more I know myself, the more I know what I want, the more I will be successful.